I'm here. Are we going live soon? What was that? Was that Morgan?
So he doesn't want to stay.
You have another show? Huh?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm still dialed in, are you? Fox Weather wants us to shoot a look live.
Look live?
Yeah. But I don't know if we're coming up live or not, so.
Is that you in the middle of the road walking? Okay, be careful. Okay.
Okay, we're coming up in the D block. Would you all be available for me to interview you on camera?
Ask her. I'm staying out of the way.
I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, no. I appreciate it, though.
Okay. I had just interviewed a woman who was very emotional as she was getting helped out of the raft. I don't know if y'all were rolling. I don't have anybody for a live interview right now, but it was great sound if it could be cut. Okay, good. I'll make it kind of brief then. But it's great sound. You should use it. Okay. 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 This is South Daytona, right? We're in South Daytona?
South Daytona.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. My interview that I did live with the man, Jackson, I think that would be a great look live for Fox Weather if they want a longer hit. Unless they want a short hit where I just talk over the front of it.
Yeah, that would have kind of looked like to me once I looked down. But like I said, I didn't even grab my glasses when I ran out the house. And Deborah, she says to her waist. She almost fine.
Do you live down here too?
We have rental property at Airbnb down there. Yeah. We got the generator started.
The sun is coming out now.
Okay, baby. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Was your house okay?
As far as I hear, yes.
Okay. What area you live in?
I live in Winter Park, Florida, so a little more inland.
Yeah, my daughter's in Tampa. She said she
Oh,
was
gosh.
good with her tore her fence and stuff up.
Yeah. Can't tell if it's raining or if it's coming from the tree.
Right. Yeah, my wife went and checked our property and she said the sandbite stayed the inside.
Oh, good.
So the backyard and half of the AC unit is underwater.
Yeah, it's raining. Okay, stand by. Oh, the water as you continue to walk down this road is more than waist high deep, and the high water rescues are still ongoing farther down the road here. You might be able to see them in the very far distance, but you can see a person even walking down the street here. The homes on the left side of the road have much more significant flooding than the homes on the right side, but there's just a lot of water everywhere. You can see how high it is up to the mailboxes here. We've already encountered several water rescues. We interviewed a woman and her mother getting into the raft with the rescue team with their 3 cats, 2 dogs, interviewed another couple that took matters into their own hands and inflated a kayak so that they could get out of their home that was flooding earlier this morning. And now they've returned to go back to check on their grandparents to try to get them out of their home. There's at least several inches of water inside these homes, and it is actually starting to rain again right now. So it could be quite some time before this water recedes. I was speaking to emergency responders, and they say this is very similar to what happened with Hurricane Ian, and they said it took several days for this water to disappear. And of course, this is the aftermath that will be going on for quite some time with the cleanup as well. So it remains to be seen just what kind of condition these homes will be in and people's belongings. We have another couple over here that had just kayaked over and helped one of their neighbors get some emergency care. But it's been a very emotional time for these folks because they're not sure what kind of state their homes will be in and where they will go next. But we'll continue to bring you the latest from the scene here. We'll send it back to you in the studio. Well, there's so much to take in the aftermath of Hurricane Milton that you just don't know how quickly help will get there. So I think a lot of folks are trying to take matters into their own hands if they're capable. So we're continuing to talk to folks here from the scene. You live down the street here. How is your home doing?
The home is safe. It's up to the front door, but luckily inside we were saved.
How did you get out, or did you just walk out?
I just walked out.
Oh gosh, and what is it going to be like in the recovery phase of all this? I mean, where's this water going to go?
These homes just got repaired from the last storm that we had 2 years ago. So as long as they don't float, like drive real fast, we'll be good. Because I have sandbags up along the door in the garage, and we have a lake in the back of us, so we're surrounded by the lake and everything.
What are you going to do now? Where are you going to stay?
Well, we have another house in Port Orange we're going to stay at.
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm glad you are safe. It was quite a scary night, wasn't it?
Very, very. Thank you.
All right, well, I know it's starting to really come down again. I appreciate you chatting with us. We'll send it back to you in the studio. Yeah, I mean, their home is their home, and they want to be here. And the married couple I was speaking with, they knew that what they were getting into, going into a flood zone, and they're just going to have to pick up and carry on. Woo! It's starting to pour. Oh my goodness! Let's get inside the car. Sorry, you got.